So we start coding the CSS for the banner part. So the first section tag is started from the banner. We have more section tags in our HTML file. When we are going to code for the section, this will affect all other section in the HTML also. Banner class, position relative, then we have a banner image class. So we give the image the URL, the image is inside the file, inside the folder. Images, and the name is background. If you choose the other pictures in the other folders, you just write that name. So Z index is -1. It is just to make sure that it is behind the other content, behind the other headers and navigations. Then we have another banner image class, but this time after. So whatever is inside this part, it will be positioned on the top of the previous banner image class. The only things that I want to do is to make sure that it is covered with the black color, but with the opacity of 0.8. It is not so clear photo. then h1 for the banner class, and h3 for banner class.